Hey, if you're searching YouTube right now for how to make money online, I know there's a bazillion videos out there, but I want you to stop for a second and I want you to watch this one all the way through because I want to share with you a very simple system that I've been using for a year and a half. In this system, I've been able to generate $100 to $500 per day, and I'm going to share with you exactly how I do it in this video. And I'm not the only one having success. Newbies on fire! Newbies on fire with this system. Like Virginia from California, $500 in just 2 days. Or how about Miranda, Western Australia, $500 in just 9 days of joining. Or how about Wallace from Arizona, $2,100 in just 30 days. And there's Don from California, $600 in just 2 days of joining. Or Sam from the UK. He got his very first sale online within 24 hours of joining. How about Shondell from Tennessee? $500 within the first 24 hours of joining. Or Allison from Florida, $500 in 5 days of joining. Or Ruth from North Carolina, $500 in just 2 days. Or Don from Maine, his very first sale online after struggling for years. Or how about Allie, Australia, $1,300 her very first month with this very simple system. And I can go on and on and on. Vicky from Australia, $900 her first week of joining. Or how about Anne from Oregon, $1,500 in just 11 days. Or Christina from Idaho made $3,300 her first month. Or Carol from Indiana, $1,300 in just 2 days after joining. Stephen from Las Vegas, $4,400 his first month. Or Chris from Arkansas, $2,000 his first month. Anne from Washington, $1,500 within 2 weeks of joining. Or Pandora from Georgia, $1,600 her first month. And Roger from Colorado, $1,200 in just 2 days. Hey guys, it's Dan Froelke here, and if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. This channel is all about how to make money online, how to generate a full-time or part-time income so you can create a life of financial freedom and time freedom. So if that's what you're looking for, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and click the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload some valuable content like this video right here. Also, make sure you stay till the very end because I've got something very special for you when you decide to join me in this incredible work from home opportunity. Okay, so right now, I want to show you how to make money online. Let's get started. Now, I want to show you some results that I've been getting with this system, this very simple copy and paste ad system that I'm about to show you. But first, I get this question asked me a lot. They say, hey Dan, I know you've been in this program for a while. Is it still working? Yes, absolutely. I have been in it for a year and a half now, and it is a very consistent income for me. As a matter of fact, when I first joined, I had no idea that this could be a multiple six-figure income for me. I just thought, it'd be a nice little income stream to add. But I want to show you now these amazing results from this system. But first, I have a disclaimer, as I always do. All right, now, these results are not typical. These are my results. I work very hard for these results, and in no way do I guarantee or imply that you will get these results, if any at all. All right, so what I want to do now, I want to show you the date, okay, because that's pretty relevant. Let's go over here. Let me show you the date here, and it's the 19th of February, 2020, okay? Wednesday, February 19th, 2020. Okay, so let me bring this back over here and I will log in to my members area. All right, let's look at the profile here so you know that it is me, and that is me here. It's Dan Froelke. Don't worry, that's not my real home address. All right, let's go to the members area here. And it's a little slower because I am recording, so just hang in there with me. We're going to go to commissions. So again, it's February 19th, 2020. I'm already at $11,700, and these are $100 payments, $200, $300, and $500 payments paid directly to me, all right? Instantly and paid directly to me. They're not 50% commissions. They're not 80% commissions. These are 100% commissions, all right? Just want to go up here. I'll show you a few months prior here, okay? So we're just in the middle of February, 11,700. Last month, 24,900. December was an awesome month, over $30,000 with this system right here. As you can see, let me go down. All right, so this side are the same. It's just a graph right here. But as you can see, I mean, that's $800 day, $1,200 day, $100, $1,900, every day commissions, every single day. That's how powerful this very simple member-to-member program is, and I absolutely love it. It's the best small ticket business out there by far. Let's go back a couple more. November, 25,700. October, 26,800. September, 21. So I can go on and on, you guys, and I really don't want to wear it out here, but I just want you to know that I'm on the level to show you how to do this, okay? Because that's the most important part. You have to have a sponsor that walks the walk, okay? Let's get on with the video. All right, let's get started right now. So I want to share you a business that I've been involved with for over a year and a half right now. It's called Instant Cash Solution, and that's how I earn $100 to $500 per day with a very simple copy and paste ad system. And as you saw earlier, Newbies on fire with this. Okay, Newbies are on fire with this system right here because, you know, all we're doing, we're just learning a few skills and putting those skills to work and earning between $100 to $500 per day with this system. Now, in this video, you will earn what is Instant Cash Solution? Is Instant Cash Solution a scam? What is the ICS compensation plan? How do we make money? Okay, what is the sales process? And what to expect from me when you join me in this business. And lastly, my exclusive team bonuses. What is ICS? Well, Instant Cash Solution is a membership-based platform focused on online marketing education. Members have 24/7 access to the ICS Business Center, which contains a huge volume of marketing training, resources, strategy, and tools. You'll also get access to the ICS marketing system. And by using the training and the resources within the system, you can develop the necessary skills to create a nice little income stream for yourself. Now, what I really like about this, you can learn these skills that you're learning here and apply them to other businesses out there. Okay, so it's not just exclusive to ICS. As a matter of fact, we have people who join ICS just for the training. And as an option, once you are a member, you will get the resale rights to sell ICS memberships to others, okay? Because that's how we make money, all right? And that's just an option. Is this a scam? Absolutely not. This is not just a money game, a Ponzi scheme, a scam, or people just exchanging money. ICS is a community of entrepreneurs and online marketers, and it's 100% legitimate home-based business. We are selling a turnkey home-based business with an educational platform to master online marketing to make extra money from home. And ICS is a membership platform based on simplicity and affordability to the masses. And I'm going to get into that in a little bit. And ICS members have lifetime rights to all marketing resources. What exactly are we doing? Well, it's a very simple sales process. You're going to copy, paste, post to generate leads. Okay, we've got free methods and paid methods, online or offline to generate your leads. You can post our pre-written ads every day. You can post on classified ad sites and social media platforms, Facebook groups, Craigslist, Instagram, etc. Now, if you have a little bit of money to spend, we have paid methods as well. Okay, you can do solo ads, SMS and text marketing, ringless voicemail drops, and other PPC platforms. Or you can participate in my Team Traffic Co-op, which allows you to get top tier 1 traffic to your website at a discounted price. We also have something very special to help close your sales. We've got the owner, the actual owner of this system, who helps close your sales every single week, okay? And here's how this works. You're going to invite your prospects to our weekly live business overview. And again, that's every single week. And the owner, Rich Meyer, makes sales for us, for our members during our weekly webinar. So again, you're going to invite your prospects to our weekly live webinar overview. Rich does a great job. It's a whole hour long. They can ask questions at the end. And then after that, he'll say, now I want you to get back to the person who invited you here. And this is how I get a lot of my sales right here. And it can help you out as well too. Okay, so this is a huge feature, our weekly live webinar business overview. Hey, if you are enjoying the content of this video right now, then go ahead and hit the like button below. Give me a big thumbs up. I would appreciate that. Also, I want you to tell me what country you're from in the comments below. That way I can create more videos on how to make money online from your area. Okay, let's get back to the video. So how do you get paid? Well, this is a member-to-member platform. You get paid instantly and directly by other members. Okay, there's no waiting for checks. There's no holding of the funds. Members will earn 100% commissions on all the membership sales. When someone buys a bronze membership from you, you will earn $100. A silver membership, $200. A gold membership, $300. And a platinum membership, $500. And these are instant commissions, 100% commissions sent directly to you. Okay, there's a one-time admin fee, depending upon which level that you come in at. It's either $29 or $79. And again, one-time admin fee. There's no annual fees, no monthly fees, no qualifying, and this is not MLM. All right, and you can only earn commissions for the membership level you own and lower levels beneath you. These are just a handful of payment methods you can use in your business, okay? Remember, you are an independent business owner. You can accept any form of payment you like. Cash, money order, cashier's checks, etc. Stripe, Cash App, Google Wallet, Solid Trust Pay, Zelle, Authorize.net, Dwolla, Oru, even PayPal. However, that's not recommended. And Walmart to Walmart MoneyGram. Now, I want to tell you what exactly you can expect from me as your sponsor. Because, I've been online for 9 years. I am the top earner in ICS here, Instant Cash Solution, and I have been ever since I joined. I helped a lot of people out, as you can see by the very beginning of this video. And that's what really brings me great joy. Because you know what? A long time ago, when I first started, I had sponsors that left me high and dry, right? And I swore if I ever was successful, I'd be the very best sponsor that I could be. Now, what you've already experienced from other business opportunities and sponsors, well, lots of hype, right? Lots of promises. Just click a button. No work. The money just flows in. No one there to answer your questions. And after you sign up, your sponsor vanishes. And there's no one to guide you. Well, unfortunately, that's typically what happens in this work from home business opportunity niche. And in all my 9+ years of experience in this niche, I know this to be true, okay? In order to succeed in a home-based business, you want to position yourself with a proven system and, here's the thing, a sponsor who walks the walk. With someone who's involved with a solid opportunity with a great track record as being a leader. Someone who earns over 6 figures per year, right? Because after all, if your goal is financial freedom, only someone who is financial free can show you how to do it, right? Only makes sense. And someone you can speak with personally, someone who's going to tell you the truth. Personal one-on-one help from an expert, and that's what you need. And here's exactly how it works when you allow me to help you. Number one, first of all, you're going to make a decision, right? Number two, you're going to get the Instant Cash Solution System. Hopefully, you can swing it at the $500 level so you won't miss out on any commissions or team bonuses. You're going to receive an extensive welcome email with my Fast Start Blueprint, and I will personally give you a call, welcome you to my team, and schedule our first coaching call. Our first call lasts about 45 minutes. We set your system up and cover the back office training and resources. And you'll also get continued personal one-on-one support. How do I know that this is going to work for you? Well, the only results that I have to go on is my own and the results of people who allowed me to help them. The personal one-on-one support that I provide gives you the very best probability of achieving success. How does my one-on-one support work? By scheduled appointments, email responses, screen sharing while we're on the phone together. How often? As often as you need it. All right, so what I want you to do now, I want you to click the link in the description below this video right here to learn more about ICS and to see all my team bonuses. I've got a lot of great team bonuses when you join me in this business. I even help pay for traffic for you, okay? I even put my money where my mouth is and pay for traffic, and that's all on the link right below. And as always, I have all my contact information on that page as well, and I will be standing by to answer any questions you have. All right? Hey, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.